In every corner of future, peace and harmony bring a beauty to life. But what happens when doubt, fear, and division sneak in? Today we bring you a heart-touching story from the 6th class English textbook, a story of animals, a cunning jackal, and the moon who came down to protect them. Let's listen to this wonderful tale of how love was lost and how unity brought it back. This is the story of peace and harmony. Once upon a time, in a thick and beautiful forest, lived many animals, birds, snakes, and insects. They lived together happily, playing in open fields, singing, dancing, and roaming without fear. Each animal admired the others. Peacocks danced proudly but praised the cuckoo's song. Pythons admired the rabbit's soft fur. Even ants, always busy, made buffaloes laugh. They held a musical evening often. Elephant and deer danced, parrots sang, tiger and bears performed gymnastics. The moon and star were invited as a guest of honor. One day a dirty and cunning jackal entered the forest. He didn't like the joy and peace around him. He wanted to break it. He told the elephants not to mix with rabbits, told the peacock not to admire other birds. He spread lies and fear, making everyone suspicious. The animals stopped living together. They built fences and moved in separate groups. Love and unity were lost. Now the jackal hunted freely. The smaller animals cried out for help, but no one listened. One by one they disappeared. The forest was silent. There were no more musical evenings. The moon grew sad and cried. The moon decided to help. He came down as a wise sadhu. The animals came to him crying and blaming each other. The sadhu brought together lions and rabbits, spoke with pythons and vipers, advised the eagle, and united call creatures again. But the jackal was angry. He didn't want to peace. He waited for a chance to attack the sadhu. The animals held an emergency meeting. They begged the sadhu to kill the jackal. But the sadhu said, "I won't kill. I will help you in another way." The night the jackal came to hunt, the sadhu said, "Take me instead." The jackal dragged him away and killed him. But then something strange happened. The jackal's stomach started growing and growing until it burst upon. A soft voice echoed, "May my animals, birds, and insects live in peace. Remove the fences. Sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid." The animals rejoiced. They broke down their fences. Peace and harmony returned. The moon shone brightly over the forest. When we live together in love and unity, no enemy can harm us. But if we let hatred divide us, even a small jackal can destroy our world. If you enjoy inspiring stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.